Welcome to our second question from 2021 paper 2 GCE. So again, this is a continuation of our 2026 revision biology. We started by looking at the question on characteristics of living things, and we also discussed the respiration. Question 2 is mainly focusing on enzymes. So in this video, we are going to revise a question on enzymes which came in 2021. So before I start, don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out our next video when it is released. And also don't forget to comment your next topic you want help with. And also don't forget to share to your friends who may be in need. So the question is saying, figure 2 shows the stages involved in an enzyme catalyzed reaction inside cell of living organisms. So this diagram is basically representing what happens inside living cell, or basically the process of enzyme. So this process, I explained it in the topic for enzyme. So if you haven't watched, be sure to watch the video. The link will be provided in the description. Go and watch the video on enzymes. So before we start answering the question, first step we have to identify these labeled parts. So if you look at the diagram, part I is what is known as an enzyme. So right here, I is known as enzyme. Why are we saying this is an enzyme? Because it has this part and also this part where these two will go and bind, and G and H are known as substrate. Why are we saying G and H are substrate? Because if you see the shape of G and H and the shape of I where they are going, they are complementary. This is what we say complementary. They fit into each other. Yeah. So now that you have identified all the letters we have been given, let's go and try to solve the questions now. So the first question is saying, from stage 1 in figure 2, identify 1, the enzyme, 2, the substrate. So we said we identify the enzyme because it has what? These shapes. Yeah. So the enzyme is what? I. So once you write I, meaning you have solved your first question. Then the substrate, we said it's G and H. Yeah. So why are we saying G and H? Because the enzyme has two shapes, meaning it has two substrates. Yeah. Then B, which stage shows the enzyme substrate complex? So remember in the video I told you that enzyme substrate complex is just a what? A fancy term where they will tell you that this stage represents where the enzyme is bind to the what? Where the substrate binds to the enzyme. So when they tell you enzyme substrate complex, this represents what? Enzyme binding to the substrate. So if we look at the three diagram, we can see that only one diagram represents the enzyme and the substrate together, which is what? Stage 2. So only stage 2 is the stage which represents the enzyme substrate complex, because the enzyme and substrate are what? Are together. So here you say stage 2. Yeah. The third question is saying label the active site of the enzyme. So what is the active site before we label it? So the active site is basically the site where the substrate binds. So we have these two substrates, a circle and a triangle. So we can see that in stage 2, these two, they bound where? Here. So meaning this and this are what is known as an active site. So once you write like that, meaning you have labeled your active site. Moving on to question C. What type of metabolic reaction is catalyzed by the enzyme? So remember, in the first video, I gave you the type of metabolic reaction and I explained what metabolic reaction is. I said metabolic reaction is just what? The sum of chemical reaction inside the living organisms. So meaning we only have two types of chemical reaction. The first one is catabolic. Then the second one is anabolic. Yeah. Then I told you that whenever we are talking about catabolic, from the word cat means breakdown of a molecule. Of molecules. Then when we talk about ana, means building. So which means this is the building up of molecules. Yeah. So now going back to our diagram, you can see that if we look at stage 1, we had what? 2 substrate. At stage 3, we only have one substrate which was joined together by the enzyme. So using your common sense, you can say this is the building up because we had 2 molecules at the beginning and at the end we only had what? 1 molecule. So meaning from these 2 molecules, they built one bigger molecule. So meaning our metabolic reaction is what? Anabolic reaction. Yeah. So moving on to the next question, which says, name the region in the human body where such a metabolic reaction in C1 above occur. So now they're asking us, which part of the region or which region of our body does anabolic reaction takes place? So there are a lot of regions in the body where anabolic takes place, but in this video I'll just talk about 2. So the first one is the muscles. So we have the muscles where also anabolism takes place, building up of glucose, building up of glycogen. And we also have the liver. So here we can put liver, which is involved in the building up of proteins and glycogen. Yeah. So an answer you can give is either muscles or liver. These are the 2 places in which what? Anabolic reaction takes place. Then the final question which says, state the general term used So it says state the general term used to refer to enzymes that work inside the cell. So I said that we have two types of enzyme. We have intra, standing for inside, and also we have extra, meaning outside. So in our case, they are asking us for those enzymes that work inside living cells. So meaning our term is intracellular enzymes. Why we say intracellular? So intra for inside, cellular for cell, then the last part enzyme. So now to add on, before I end the video, there is one part which I need you to pay particular attention to the application now. How are the enzymes used? So we have two applications which you can write. We have one application in which enzymes they are used. They are used as biological washing powders. Why are they used in biological washing powders? This is because they have the ability to break down tough stains for proteins, fats, and lipids. Why? Because we have examples of enzymes like protease, which is responsible for breaking down proteins. We have lipase, which is involved in the breakdown of lipids. That's why they are used in what? In biological washing powders. Another way in which you can use the enzyme is in baking. Yeah. So another way you can use enzyme is in baking. Of course, the what? The yeast. So the yeast contains an enzyme called zymase. So that enzyme is responsible for the rise in the what? In the dough, because it converts glucose into carbon dioxide, water, and what? Energy via the process of respiration. Then those bubbles from carbon dioxide are the ones which causes the dough to rise. So these are some of the applications, and this was our question 2 in our 2021 paper 2 GCE. So we said, how can you identify that this is an enzyme? It has an active site. Remember, a substrate only has one part. It can either be, so a substrate will only be represented in form of a shape. It can either be a rectangle, a triangle, like this. But we have an enzyme. Yeah. Then stage 2, we said this is an enzyme substrate complex where an enzyme and the substrate joins together. Then stage 3, that's the final stage where we have now the product and the enzyme. Yeah. So this is where our question 2 ends. Stick through for question 3.